Like I know personally in my community, when I was a producer, you would go to Bobby Jones or Mary Macklin or whatever their names were, whatever the case may be, and you would give them the opportunity to get life insurance, just in general. They might get the policy. They get the policy the first time that there's any kind of financial distress amongst that family or whatever. The first thing that's going to get cut is insurance. Like, the first thing that's going to get cut is insurance. I'm not so concerned about my commissions. What I am concerned about is your family and how that affects your family down the road. Now, statistics state that wealth is built into real estate, inheritance, and investments. Again, real estate, inheritance, and investments. If you don't inherit anything because it wasn't passed down to you, that's already an out. Real estate 2026 is, I mean, you have several big companies that are buying all of the real estate up that's worthwhile, like worth having. Like individuals are beginning not to even have real estate. The millennials in 2025, 2026, a lot of millennials actually stay together, which is crazy. We have like a roommate situation in a lot of cases. Well, several. I would say most, but several. So it has become unaffordable for many millennials and probably the generation after to be able to have a home or obtain a home. So then that's when we go to the next thing. If you don't have a trust, you didn't leave any insurance policies back, whether it was a whole life policy or a term life policy, you didn't leave that back. Then we're gonna go to real estate. Real estate. We have family members that have went up to the upper room, gone away, they're no longer here with us. We have family members that move away abroad or move away to another state or whatever it may be. They never necessarily come back that frequently. Those individuals decide to stay in the house. The house is there, and nobody come back for a while. So then, when that happens, you sell the house instead of keeping it within the family. Okay, you make some money off of it, and you don't necessarily put it in the places that need to be. That's a loss. Let's just say somebody goes away, they pass off, and they didn't pay their taxes, or there was taxes on that property, or the deed was messed up, or whatever. This becomes a problem. But in many cases, the homes are sold because no one wants to keep them, or no one's in the area anymore, or something along those lines where taxes are not taken care of and the property is lost anyway. This is a problem, a major problem. It makes no sense whatsoever. I don't understand it. Like, I come from an area where I've been vested in, in property or whatever it can be, and property is just dilapidated. It is destroyed. It is not taken care of well. Many of the individuals, don't take care of it, and you don't have proper insurance on your properties. It's not okay. It's unacceptable.